Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Lime, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add workshop content to your guys' server. Let's get started. First things first, head over and open Steam. Upon it being open, click on Library, click on Unturned, and now we're going to want to click on Workshop. Hover over Browse. Go down to Collections. Upon there, what we're going to want to do is click on Create Collection. Now we're going to want to give it a title, uploading a branding image, and we can set a description. Upon there, we can scroll down. And in this case, we're going to want to have this one checked. From there, we can just leave a lot of these alone. Go down and click on Save and Continue. Upon that being done, what we can do is add things that we have published, things that we have favorited, or things that we have subscribed to. In this case, what I'm wanting to do is let's add the new map. Let's add LYHME assets. Let's also bounce over to our favorites, our LYHME. Head over to our published. And let's say we also want LYHME armor. Upon all of this content has been added, and click on alphabetically. It can sort them automatically for us. Save and continue. We now can set a background image if we would like to. And in this case, I'm going to. Upon this being done, we can set a YouTube video if we would like to, of like a trailer of our server. And now what we're going to do is click on publish. And now we can provide this link to others to be able to go ahead and subscribe to. The next step, what we're going to want to do is we're going to right click on the side and click on copy page URL. We can go ahead and open a text document. Create a new one and copy and paste our URL. In this case, we really want this ID. So I'm gonna go ahead, copy this, Control C it a few times. Now exit out of this. In this case, this is my server direct. Now what we're gonna wanna do is click on servers, server, and now we're gonna really wanna edit this file here. Upon this being open, you can go ahead and tweak this message, if you'd like to. You can also you can change this to false if you'd want to monitor for updates. If you want cache downloads, you can enable or disable that. Completely up to you. But in this case, we're going to want to go down to line 2. We're going to go ahead and click right between those two and paste it in. And now it's going to look like that. Go ahead and click on save. And now when we start our server, it is going to download all this content to our server. Now let's head back to Unturned. I'm going to go run the server myself. Now that our server is successfully loaded up, now we can go ahead and type save. From there, now we can go ahead and exit out of it. Upon exiting out of it, let's go back to our servers directory, server, and let's head over to workshop, Steam, content, this number here, and now you can see all of our content. From there, what we're going to want to do is let's go ahead and set the newest map on our Unturned server. In this case, what we're going to want to do is double click it. And as you guys can see, the map name is here. What we're going to want to do, double click it and go copy. We can go back. And in this case, let's go ahead. Let's say that we want to go set our Turnaris map to it. As you guys can see, this name is different from this name here. This is what we're going to want to set into our commands.dat. In this case, I'm not going to set this map in our commands.dat. I'm going to rather go back to server again, commands.dat, and we're going to go ahead and change PEI to a new map. From there, what we can do is go ahead and click on save. And now our server is now modded. I hope this was useful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and catch you guys later. Peace.